All right, Dave, you've used the Hostguard flea system today. Tell me what you thought of it.
I thought it was easy to use, especially having the directions. The pamphlet was nice because otherwise I don't know that it would have been quite as simple, especially with the gel. You know, knowing where to put it, kind of important, because my initial question was, am I supposed to just rub this all over my pants, right? But Jeff was telling me that 6 inches and lower is kind of all they can jump. I never knew that about the fleas, so that was good, because otherwise I probably would have had it from the waist down all the way to the feet. But really easy to use. Great that it stayed on top of the feet and didn't get all over my hardwood floors, even though it probably would have been really easy.
And how successful do you think that you were, Dave?
I'm hoping that it was pretty successful, but honestly, I got to see how many fleas actually were, hitting me as I walked in the house, which yesterday when I didn't have that on, I probably saw maybe a fifth to a sixth of that. I might have killed 7 or 8 that got on me before I decided, hey, I need to get out of here, right? Before.
Well, you came out with a whole platoon full.
But I came out with a lot more this time because I felt like I could stay there, and I wanted them to be attracted to me, right? I wanted to get as many as I could. So I stayed in the house for 15 minutes to go around before bolting, and yeah.
And do you think Hostguard is value for money? Would you use it again and again?
Absolutely, yeah. If that happened again, I wouldn't bother with a flea spray.
That's awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you, David.
Yeah.